One is other and 9 1 is water.
Okay, tell me, no problem. What's there? Say something about water.
Okay.
Hmm.
Just a minute. I am opening the page.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Kajal, are you writing, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kajal, please try to attend classes regular basis. Okay, so you will be knowing some other things also about speaking. I will try my level best.
Okay.
Yeah, please, Shikha, go on.
So, my next topic is about water. So, nowadays, in like this is a fact, not like one test happened in the world, and they had the scientists had checked that which country has like wasting the water a lot, and you won't believe that India is on the top country, because in India there is a lot of this country. Only this country is just wasting the water a lot. This should be not happen, because nowadays you had heard that if the water will not if the water will be not present in the earth, then nothing will happen, because of only one thing, like
में आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस अपने अपने अपनी जिंदगी को भी जोड़ने की कोशिश करना कि क्या आपने सीखा या क्या आपको लगा आपके हिसाब से. जब आपने एक्सपीरियंस, वेन एवर यू विल बी एडिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस टॉपिक, people will really your speech will be appealing to others. Okay, so thank you for your speech. Thank you. So now Rupa, please go on.
My topic is online classes. My topic is online education. Online education is extremely good thing for every learner, including me. Every learner,
Correct.
including me. In modern time, to learn something is very easy for everyone. No matter what is your age, no matter where do you live, no matter which place do you come, your education again start by online classes. When online classes is not operational, when online classes is not operational, people could not achieve them goals, and they have to face some.
Kajal.
dining table. Dining table is a table where people eat their meal with their family. It is a table where we build memories with our family members. At night, when every family member meets at the dining table, so they talk about how their day went.
Very nice. Up to this much?
Sorry?
Up to this much you have written about dining table?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nice. Very simple way you have written, and very nice. Very authentic you have written. Very good. Next.
Mirror. Mirror is an object which we use to see our face, body, etc. Whenever we buy something to wear, so we try it and see ourselves in the mirror. And
Nicely. A brilliant definition you have given. Okay, next.
mobile. Mobile. क्या? एक सेकंड. Mobile is an important object in our life. Through mobile, we can talk to any person, even if he or she is not around us. Mobile has a lot of apps which can entertain us, and it is also a good object through which we can learn a lot of things. It is good for the people who are disciplined and want to do something in their life.
Very good. Very common thing you have told about mobile and all the three things, and simply you have defined every topic.
May I start?
Yeah, obviously.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. मैम जल्दी क्या है उसे आने दो. But sorry, let him come.
Okay, Rupa, tell your answer.
I haven't made any sentence.
Okay, now
मतलब जल्दी क्या इसका नहीं आता, पर उसे आने दो. Let him come, या shall
Okay.
him come, या allowed to come him.
okay, Kajal, tell me.
Why so much hurry? Let her come.
Okay, so my sentence is, please write down one you write down, then next two you can do. What's the hurry? What's the hurry? Let him come.
Hurry, let him study.
Yeah, what's the hurry? What's the hurry? Let him study.
और next is जल्दी क्या है उससे साफ बात करो. So what's the hurry? What's the hurry? Talk to him clearly.
Yeah, very good. What's the hurry? Talk to him clearly. Or what's the hurry? Talk to him outspoken. साफ बात करना. Okay? साफ outspoken. Outward. Talk to him outward. Talk to him clearly. That's the answer. Question goes to Kajal. Hello, Kajal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so your question is, you have selected in the interview, whatever the interview you have given, you have selected in the interview, and you didn't expect that you will be selected, but you have selected. So what will be reaction, what will be you will be doing, what the happiness you will be feeling, and what are the things you will be doing at that time?
What are the things I will?
You will be doing, मतलब आपको सिलेक्शन नहीं, मतलब आप नहीं जानती थी कि आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, पर आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया है, तो इस खुशी में आप क्या क्या करोगे?
I will feel very good, and I will come to my home, and I will feel so grateful, and I'll pray to God, thank to them. That's it.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, in the first stage you have done a very good speech, really very good. Now Rupa.
Ma'am, this incident happened on me.
Okay.
मेरे साथ हो गया, उसको क्या बोलते हैं मैम?
Yeah, correct. Next.
When I heard the news that I am selected for this job, I feel ecstatic. Meaning?
Yeah, ecstatic.
Ecstatic that
Yeah.
time, and first thing will I do, I will inform my parents and thankful to them. Then, and second thing, I will inform everyone, like my friend, my parents, my family member, my husband also, and
If I got selected in my interview, then first of all I would like to pray to God first, because I did not expect that my selection would be happen in this job. And first of all, I will give interview in that job, in that company, which company would be so nice. And first of all, I will pray to God, and then I will tell my family members, especially my mom and dad. After that, if I did not expect and I got, then what would be my reaction? That will be crazy, because I would be so ecstatic and then I will prepare to a job. Then they were telling that if your selection happened, then you have to give us party. Then I said, yeah, I will absolutely give you, but I have a condition. And then they didn't hear the condition, and they said nice. They said like fluently that okay. Then I said I will not give you party in 3-star, 4-star. I will give you party on dhaba. Then their like we can say some reaction, yeah. Then their reaction would be so bad. So they were happen so sad. Then I said them like no worry, my selection would be happen in pirate. So if I did not expect that, then this would be my reaction, and I would be very happy. And yeah, that's all.
Very good, very good. Nice talking, nice sharing with friends.